Happy Tuesday, Jeffersonians. It's November the 10th, and I'm broadcasting today from the Neosho Bayside Freeway, which exists. Today's meeting will be a little involved. We've got some surveys to fill out, so I'll try to keep this portion brief. First of all, midterm is this Friday. I know that's crazy. I feel like we just ended a term, but we're already in the middle of term two. Term two goes really fast. I think it might be our shortest term. But see to it that your grades are good and that you're in good standing everywhere at school at this checkpoint here in the middle. That means that ASTs begin next week. So with midterm grades, that will be our kind of first cutoff point to start to assign after-school tutoring sessions for students who are not passing any given course. Those are mandatory for those students. Picture retakes will take place today at 1:30 p.m. roughly. We're going to be flexible just because we are at the whim of our photographers, so we'll make announcements for that when that happens. Jostens orders, let the office know if you have any questions about your order. I think we have all the paper orders in. You can still do things online, but talk to us in the office if you have questions about that. We, as we've said before, have an extended Thanksgiving break, so we will not go to school for the entire week of Thanksgiving. I did contact CTEC, those of you who asked, and they will not be asking you to report on the 23rd or 24th either. So full week off here at school and CTEC. Parent-teacher conferences went very well. Those are always a positive experience, I think, for everybody involved. If you were there, thank you for coming. If you've not already and your parents went to one, then talk to them about that. Those can be meaningful. Reminder of our phone policy. Those are not allowed to be out in classes at all. It doesn't matter who's calling you or who you need to be in touch with or who might message you today. Class time is sacred time. We will preserve it and honor it. And I don't want to see any phones out in classes. If you want to be in trouble, argue with the teacher or me about this, because they're just don't. We're here for a reason. I think we all know our phones are a distraction, and we're going to cordon off class time for learning. All right, this last slide will be presented on an old transistor portable tube TV, because why not? We've got a few surveys to complete today, and this is very important, and teachers need to facilitate this happening now, and this will take a little time, but it's important, like I said. So the first thing is the social emotional learning survey. Now, I want everyone to submit this. I want you to take your time and take it seriously. This is a district initiative that is, kind of dear to my heart, and also to people who are invested in our program. And so I want to help them out, and I also think that this can help us out. So please take your time and take the SEL survey, linked on the Team Tuesday page. Secondly, if you are interested at all in participating in any sport now or for the rest of the year, you need to make a submission on the athletics interest form. If you're not interested in that, just don't do it. But if you are, do it. There's one question. It says, are you interested? Say yes. And then I will know to get you the information and the paperwork that you need to participate in sports. And then lastly, there is a t-shirt size form on there for an order that we're going to make before too long. I need everybody's t-shirt size. I apologize, like I've asked for a fitting form, and if I can get this before team meeting, I will put it on the page. But this is a unisex t-shirt size range. There may be kind of some standard for that, but I don't really know what it is. And I don't know that we can just take a bunch of measurements like we're at a tailor or something like that. But anyhow, fill that out as best you can, and maybe we'll have a t-shirt for you soon. You'll find those surveys linked right here, the JSC SEL survey, athletics interest form, and the t-shirt size form. So this one should take you here. It's a number of questions. Like I say, please take your time on that. The athletics interest form, like I said, one item. Which sports are you interested in? That's all I need to know. And then the t-shirt size form, There is no gender association, just a unisex small through XXL. So, and that those sizes are limited by availability, I guess, because of COVID, from Graphics Connection. So that's what they told me. So there you go. Forms. Okay, I think that is all that there is to cover today in the Team Tuesday meeting. So have a good rest of your Tuesday. Make sure your grades are in good shape by Friday, and we'll see you later. So that's how that we know that all this negative energy can damage your chi permanently. So to prevent this, you've just got to send 3 easy payments of $19.95 to my PayPal account, the information for which will be provided after this video. And then your chi will be just fine with our chi preservation package available from Jostens.